NCERT video book welcomes you. Today we are going to start Chapter 12 Give and Take. Let's start Chapter 12 Give and Take. You can see some insects here such as snake and nereis and other type of snake. It is written add to. Here 334, 336, then here will be 338, here 340, here 342, here 344, like that. Add 5. 5 added to 375, it will become 380, then 385, 390, 395, 400, 405, 410. Subtract 5. Here 387. Then here will be 382. Here will be 377. Here 372. Here 367. Here 362. Here 357. Like that. Add 6. 234, then here will be 240, 246, 252, 258, 264, 270. Subtract 6. 357, 351, 345, 339, 333, like that. Similarly, you can add 9, subtract 9 and fill in the blanks. Kishan runs a big plant nursery where he puts different varieties of plants. Villagers often come and take saplings from him to grow in their houses. 1. Kishan had 364 saplings of different herbs and flowers. Then he went to his friend's village and brought 52 saplings from there. How many saplings does he have now? Let us draw a box diagram for the problem. Initially, he has 364 saplings. He brought 52 saplings. Then, how much will be the total number of saplings? Let us use following systematic procedure to solve the problem. You can see 364 saplings can be represented as 300s, 60 and 4. 52 saplings can be represented as 50 and 2. You can see circling of 60 and 40 saplings together such that they become 100. Then how much left? 4 here and 2 here, 6 and 10 here, then 16. Combine 300 with 100 to get 400s. You can see 300 here and the fourth one here. You can see 400, 10 and 6, that is 16. Hundreds, tens, ones. 4 hundreds, 1 tens, 6 ones, that is 416. How many saplings in all? On adding 364 to 52, we get 4 hundreds, 1 10 and 6 ones. 364 saplings plus 52 saplings is equal to 416 saplings. 364 plus 52 is equal to 416. You can do like this: 364 plus 52. Ones is added to ones, tens to tens, and hundreds to hundreds. 4 and 2, 6. 6 and 5, 11. 1 is written here, and the tens one is written above 3. 3 and 1, 4. 416. You can also use a number line to solve it. You can see 364 written here. Increase that by 52. That is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1. 374, 384, 394, 404, 414, then adding 1 will give you 415, then again 1, 416. 2. Kishan has got an order to deliver 230 saplings to a school. He has packed 75 saplings in an open box. How many more saplings does he need to pack? We write the given problem as a box diagram. Total ordered saplings 230, saplings in the box 75, saplings that need to be packed blank. Let us use hundreds, tens and ones to solve the problem. Hundreds, tens, ones. 200, 3 tens, 0 ones. That means 230. We have to subtract 75 from 230. To take away 5 ones, we change 110 into 10 ones. Like this. You can see 220 and then 10, that is 230. We can now take away 5 ones from 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because we have to subtract 75. So 5 ones taken from 10 ones. Subtracting 5 ones from 10 ones, we are left with 5 ones, like this. Since 75 is equal to 70 plus 5, we have removed 5 or subtracted 5 from 230. We are left with 225. 220 and 5. Now we have to take away 70. Remember, opening a hundreds block gives us 10 blocks of tens. Like this, you can see 10 blocks of tens. You can see 100 here, 100 here, and 20 here, and 5 here. That means it is also 225. Take away 70. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. You are left with 5 ones, 5 tens and 100. That is 155. We are left with this: hundreds, tens, ones. 100, 5 tens, 5 ones. Kisan has 155 saplings now. Teacher's note: encourage children to use Dienes block given at the end of the book and the number line for solving these problems. Children can do these problems by taking away and adding numbers in different ways. Discuss the relation between hundreds, tens, and ones. Teacher's note: before going into standard algorithms, students should be encouraged to use Dienes blocks and number line for solving various problems with different strategies. For this problem, you can use this method: 230 minus 75. Since 0 is at 1's place, you can't take 5 from that. So 3 tens could be written as 2 tens and 0 ones can be written as 10 ones. 5 subtracted from 10 will give you 5 ones. Since you can't take out 7 tens from 2 tens, so 100 is taken from 200. So this 2 becomes 12. 7 subtracted from 12 will give you 5 and 1 remains there. The answer is 155. Let us do draw box diagrams as shown above to solve the following problems. Then use STO blocks or a number line to solve the problems. 1. Kisan has 456 saplings in August. He distributed 63 saplings. How many saplings are left with him? You have to subtract 63 from 456. 3 subtracted from 6 will give you 3 ones. Since you can't subtract 6 tens from 5 tens, so 100 from 400 is taken out and 5 tens become 15 tens. 15 minus 6 is 9. 3 remains there. The answer is 393. 2. Kisan has a collection of 309 saplings. He gets 80 more saplings of flowering plants. How many saplings does he have now? You have to add 80 to 309. Ones added to ones, tens added to tens, and hundreds to hundreds. The answer is 389. 3. Kisan has 270 saplings of herbs and his friend has 36 saplings of herbs. How many more saplings does Kisan have than his friend? You have to subtract 36 from 270. Since you can't take out 6 from 0 ones, so 110 is taken from 7. It becomes 6 tens and 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3 and 2 remains there. The answer is 234. Write word problems using the numbers given in the box diagrams below and solve them. You can take help from the pictures for appropriate contexts. 230. 4 boys are already there. Here comes 156 girls. Then total number of students will be. So you have to add 234 to 156. Ones added to ones, tens to tens, and hundreds to hundreds. 4 and 6 is equal to 10. So 0 written here and 1 is carried over. 3 and 1 4, 4 and 5 9, 2 and 1 3. The answer is 390. 356 books. From them taken out 138 books. That means you have to subtract 138 from 356. Since you can't take out 8 from 6 once, so 1 tenth is broken. There remains 4 tenths and 16 ones. 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. The answer is 218. In total, there is 305 sacks. In one group, there are 210 sacks. How many sacks are there in other group? You have to subtract 210 from 305. 5 ones, 9 tens, and 0 ones. The answer is 95. Use the grid below to solve the following questions. Color your answers in the grid. 456 plus 10 is equal to 466. You can see 456. On moving up, you increase the number by 10. You get 466. Similarly, 481 plus 19. 481 is here. 19 means 10 plus 9. That means on increasing 10, you will reach 491. Then you have to move 9 from left to right. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The answer is 500. If you add 481 and 19, you will get 500. Similarly, you can do this one, and this one. In the last question, that is 519 minus 40. 519 is here. For decreasing this by 40, we have to move 4 times from above to bottom. The answer is 479. Teacher's note: encourage children to solve the problems using the above grid. Draw children's attention to the pattern of change in digits when adding 100, 10, and 1. Do as directed. Add 100. 269, 369, 469, 569, like that. Add 10. 269, 279, 289, 299, 309, 319. Add 1. 269, 270, 271, 272, 273, like that. Add 100, 454, 554, 654, 754, 854, like that. Add 10, 454, 464, 474, 484, like that. Add 1, 454, 455, 456, 457, like that. Many years ago, in the village Jadupur, people exchanged things based on their need. Samu Kaka gave 5 sacks of rice to Darya Didi. She in return gave 10 sacks of vegetables. Darya Didi got 2 saris from Bablu Dada by giving 5 sacks of onions. Like this, people in the village exchanged their things. Samu Kaka got vegetables for the rice he gave. Darya Didi gave lots of onions to Bablu Dada for the 2 saris. Discuss in class why people in this village had to give different quantities while exchanging things. These days, we use money in exchange of things we need. Notes and coins come in different values which are used to buy different things. For example, one 10 rupee note can buy one Hawa Mithai or 10 toffees. One Hawa Mithai costs more than a toffee. Salma buys 2 bottles of milk for rupees 100. Kiran buys a basket of pomegranates for rupees 100. Circle the one that costs more, a milk bottle or a pomegranate. You can see here 2 things in rupees 100. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 items are there in rupees 100. So a bottle milk is costlier than a pomegranate. Think of 2 things that we can buy using the same note. Note, things you can buy. 10 rupee note, you can buy a packet of chips or a packet of biscuit or half a kg salt, etc. You can write it here. Similarly, 50 rupees note, you can buy a 1 kg sugar packet or something else. Kindly think and write. Match the notes and coins in the 2 columns that have the same values. 50 rupees, that is equal to 100 rupees. Similarly, 10 rupee, that is 20 rupee, and 1 rupee, that is 21 rupee. Yes, you can see it here. 20 rupee and 1 rupee, 21 rupee. 50 rupees and 10 rupees, 60 rupees, 2 rupees and 1 rupees, that is 3 rupees. 60 and 3, 63 rupees. You can see 20, 20, 40 and 10, 50, 10, 60 and 2 and 1, 63. 5 rupee and 2 rupee, 12 rupee. You can see 10 rupee and 2 rupee, 12 rupee. 10 coins of 1 rupee, that is 10 rupee. 1 rupee, 1 10 rupee note, 50 rupees and 20 rupees, that is 70 rupees. 20, 20, 40 and then 20, 60 and 10, 70. Teacher's note. Let children observe different features in original notes like personalities, monuments, embossed images for people with visual impairments, numbers and number names in different languages, etc. Discuss with children the connections between notes and coins. Use the following notes and coins to buy things given below. Find at least two ways of giving money. You may use notes and coins more than once. You can use these notes and coins more than once. For example, 55 rupees toy car. You can write 50 plus 5, or you may write 20 plus 20 plus 10 plus 5. 30 rupees sweets, or similarly, one packet of milk that costs 28 rupees. Try doing that. Have you seen this note? Draw as many notes of rupees 100 as is equal to 1 rupees 500 note. How many rupees 100 notes are equal to a 500 rupees note? The answer is 5. What things can you buy with rupees 500? Kindly think and write. Saw. In the morning, Peter uncle has rupees 465 in his money box. By afternoon, he has rupees 756. How much has he earned since morning? Let us draw a box diagram for the problem. You can see here written 465, here 756. My estimation. What you have to do? You have to subtract 465 from 756. You may use notes and coins, or you may use number line like this. 465 subtracted from 756. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Since you can't take 6 from 5 in tens, so 100 is taken out from 7. It becomes 6 and 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. The answer is 291. You can use notes and coins like this. Difference between the two amounts is equal to 291. He has earned rupees 291 since morning. On number line, here 756. You have to decrease that by 465. 100, 200, 300, 400, 450, 460. You will get 296 and then 5 less than that is 291. Today, Peter uncle sold rice for rupees 640 and sugar for rupees 215. How much money has he earned from this sale? You have to add 640 to 250. The answer is 855. Draw a box diagram for the problem. My estimate. Use notes, coins, or a number line to solve it. Let us do. Solve the following problems using box diagrams. Estimate the answers. Then use notes of rupees 100, rupees 10 and rupees 1 or a number line to solve the problems. 1. One day Peter uncle earned 650 rupees. The next day he earned 250 rupees more. How much money had he earned by the second day? You have to add 650 to 250. You will get 900. Teacher's note. Provide or ask children to make play money. Help children in exchanging denominations of hundreds, tens and ones and use them in solving problems. 2. Reena bought groceries for rupees 209. She gave a rupees 500 note to Peter uncle. How much money should Peter uncle return to Reena? You have to subtract 209 from 500. Since you can't subtract 9 ones from 0 ones, you have to break 1 10. Since tens place is also 0, so you have to break hundreds place. That means 5 becomes 4, 0 becomes 10, then this 10 becomes 9 and this 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. 9 minus 0 is equal to 9. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. The answer is 291. 3. Serene has rupees 150 in her piggy bank. She puts rupees 100 every week in her piggy bank. How much money does she have at the end of 4 weeks? Every week he puts rupees 100. That means in 4 weeks she will put rupees 400 and rupees 150 is already there. So you have to add 150 and 400. The answer is 550. 4. Peter uncle saved rupees 250 in the first month, rupees 125 in the second month and rupees 350 in the third month. How much has he saved in these 3 months? You have to add them all. That is 250 plus 125 plus 350. Ones added to ones, tens added to tens and hundreds added to hundreds. Here 12, so 1 is written here. 3 and 1, 4 and 3, 7. The answer is 725. You can do it orally. 350 plus 250. 300 and 200 is equal to 500 plus 50 and 50 again. 50 and 50 again. That is 100. Then 125 can be split into 100 plus 25. This means 725. That is equal to 725. Estimate the answers to the nearest 100. Share your thinking in the class. Number sentence. Nearest 100. 156 plus 34. That is near 200. 125 minus 15. that is near 100. 105 plus 195, that is near 300. 205 plus 215, that is near 400, and so on. Teacher's note: the teacher can create similar word problems to give children practice of adding and subtracting numbers. Motivate children to draw the problem before solving. Avoid giving keywords to children for solving word problems. Compare the given problem statements in each row without calculating. Circle the one that is more. Share your thinking in the class. This is more than this one, so this has been circled out. Similarly, this seems to be more, and in the third one, this one. Try doing the others. Find the pairs that are equal. Share your thinking in class. 516 plus 100 will be 616. 816 minus 200 is equal to 616. So this one is equal to this one. 615 minus 200 is equal to 415. Similarly, 400 plus 15 is equal to 415. Similarly, 450 minus 50 is equal to 400. 350 plus 50 is equal to 400. Fill in the boxes with appropriate numbers. For example, here will be 123. Here will be 127. Here you can write numbers like 15. You can write here. You can write here 160. You can write here minus 4. You can write here minus 30. Like that. You can write here 33. That is 123 plus 33. 156. Similarly, you can fill these blanks. Teacher's note: increase mental calculations in class to solve the problems above. Ask children to frame many such questions. Make cards with numbers 0 to 5. Make two 3-digit numbers using these cards. Add the two numbers and subtract the two numbers. Rearrange the cards and try to get a bigger sum. Rearrange the cards and try to get a smaller difference. Check with your friends who has got the biggest sum and smallest difference. You have to make 3-digit numbers using cards like this. This boy says, I made a smaller difference than you. This girl says, I made a larger sum than you. Let us do A. 265 plus 9 is equal to 274. B. 405 plus 56 is equal to 461. C. 825 plus 175 is equal to 1000. D. 600 minus 82 is equal to 518. E. 568 minus 5 is equal to 563. F. 653 minus 356. If here 353 and 653 is here, the answer will be 300. But here 3 more. So the answer will be 3 less. That is 297. Teacher's note. Allow children to use the number cards from the book to create different numbers. It can be hard for children to do this task with pencil and paper only. For more videos, you can subscribe NCERT video book. Thank you.